Hey guys, and welcome back to 1-2-Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to remove the background without using a green screen in OBS. Now let us begin. Initially what you guys have to do is simply download this plugin right here, that is background removal. Simply hit on go to download, and from here once you are in this page, simply scroll down and download the Windows installer. Well, denote that I have already installed this plugin. Now what I'm gonna do is simply go to OBS. And guys, this is it. As you can see, I have opened up OBS. From here what you guys need to do is simply click on this plus button associated with sources, and from here click on video capture device. Now what you guys can do is simply rename it, but right now I don't want to do it. I'm just gonna hit on OK. Now it will ask you to select the device from which you want to record. Well, it's okay with me, so I'm simply gonna hit on OK right now. Once you've done that, as you can see, this is the video capture device. Simply right click and go to filters. From this section, you can see something called as effect filters, and below it there is a plus icon. Click on it, and from here you can see the background removal plugin that we had just installed. Click on it. You can give your specific name to the filter, but I'm not gonna do it right now. Once you've done that, once again hit on close. Denote that you also have the option to blur the background. Well, this is it. I'm gonna hit on close right now. Well guys, let's say this right here is the video from which the background has been removed. Now let's look at how to add a background. I have already added an image to the source. You guys can do that as well. This right here is the image. I'm just gonna position it right here. Well, this is okay with me. Now I'm gonna drag the video capture device just in front of it. And guys, that is it. That is how you add background in OBS without using the green screen. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.